born out of blood clot. Remember Valentine's Day, Bogle Arita come October 28, 1990 blood clot one. Monday morning at 12 blood clot PM. Remember, good as. When Arita 22 and Bogle 27, them hurt a legend will get every girl in the world blood clot upset. And I'm I couldn't even the mother and the father of her birth to the blood clot, right? Remember, the war never look for me and tell me to the not ready yet. Anyone believe them with always blood clot ready, what fuck me?
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, big up yourself. Country boss, hit your notification button. 306, J.A. man, Nuclear Rasta man, Silent Rebel, big up yourself. I'm a boss. Yeah. Yo, only hear the video in front of you just now. What a nasty piece of young man, dog. Now, him father named Bogle, the biggest dancer in the world. If he never did, he would have probably be in Hollywood now, because people still do the Bogle dance all in a movie. You understand? And then him talk about his mother in the video, Arifa or Alita, or what she want to name. And him say the mother was 22 and Bogle was 20-something, and they meet and him meet out of love, and then him go on for say any man where him lay down with, dog. No say him a good as, and he must say have this and that. What a nasty young man. I feel disrespected as a heterosexual black man who is out here working hard to take care of my family. And then you have this careless, dirty, batty boy. You understand? Come disrespect our culture, dog. And disrespecting parents, them, dog. Now, you can't say, little dirty rebel boy. You know them, and come like them rebel girl to blood clean. Me I tell you something. In a them kind of relationship there, when the same sex, them overdo it. So whoever play the man, overdo it, and whoever play the woman, overdo it. Yo, me did know a couple. You see, when them a war, the whole apartment block have to move out of that blood clot when police are come back, or SWAT team. You understand? Every man out there do them thing, pick me and play this, that, but when them start war, remember me tell you, car drive down, all sort of thing, machine a brandish, baseball bat. Yo, if you don't believe me, ask anybody who want to know where see them and know them. So them in every community. I mean, I look out on them, but him to keep them disrespectful, but he talk to himself, dog. Me know him mother and father must say I'd spin round and I say, what kind of disrespectful you this? He must think him a go viral, because all of them a try get reality show through Spice. Anyways, yo, really disrespectful little boy, yo. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button, yo. The boy I want really dirty, nasty, batty boy. And enough of the bad man them you see out there. Them a batty man, dog. Yeah, batty man bad this, yo.